Hi everybody, welcome back to Insightful Conversations. And for today, I will be sharing with you some successful policy application for our clients with pre-existing medical conditions. And yes, tama po yung narinig nyo, no? Kahit na may pre-existing condition na pwedeng-pwede pa rin tayong ma-insure. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-follow, please like and subscribe. And I will be continuously giving you informative videos about life insurances. So I have a lot of clients with pre-existing conditions. First client is someone with hypertension. And yes, na-approve yung aming kliyente with hypertension condition. So yung requirement dito is a continuous monitoring of their blood pressure for 3 days. And required din, of course, that the client is taking his medication or maintenance medicine. Kailangan din, upon taking his medicines, nag-normalize yung BP niya and he follows what the doctor recommends. Importante lang talaga ay ma-declare ito upon policy application para the client can process a claim in the future. So sobrang dami ng hypertensive clients namin, they are all approved as long as they take the medication and we declare it during application. If you are hypertensive, may chance pa. Pwede ka pang ma-cover. Another client is a client with pre-existing myoma. So ito naman ay mostly common sa women, of course. Sabi ng doctor, it come and go. Mostly, no, so hormonal changes ito ng mga babae. And I declared it during the application na may myoma si client. Great news! Walang any requirement na approve agad yung kliyente namin. Because we noted there na hindi na na-require na removal or operation to remove the myoma. Again guys, it's case-to-case basis, so depende po yan sa sinabi ng doktor sa inyo. And everything must be explained and declared during the policy application. So yung kliyente ko na to, yung kinuha niya na policy ay mas focus sa critical illness insurances. Congratulations! Another client that has been approved is a woman with breast lumps. So this is a little common, lalo na sa women, kapag nagpapamammogram kami or nagpapa-breast ultrasound, minsan may nakikitang mga lumps and most of the time benign naman. So this client has benign lumps or mga cysts na hindi naman cancerous. So we declared everything. Ang hiningi sa kanya, mostly blood tests, mammogram and breast ultrasound. Nung na-approve yung critical illness product na to for our client, minsan meron din si FWD na conditional approval. So we do that in case yung condition ni client ay pwedeng mag-turn into a critical illness. So if the client has breast lump, yes, in-approve pa rin yung aming kliyente, but hindi na covered yung illness na pwedeng connected dun sa breast lump, which is possibly breast cancer. So if I am the client, I will be grateful because I'm covered with the other critical illnesses. And akala ko noon, hindi na ako insurable, pero pwede pa pala. Congratulations! Another client has pre-existing diabetes, type 2. So medyo madami na akong kliyente with pre-existing diabetes. Mostly, hinihingi talaga lagi are laboratory results including blood chem, HbA1c, lipid profile, and others. So kung ready na yan and valid pa siya, ibig sabihin ng valid may 3 months pa since nagpa-test ka until today, pasok pa siya. And kapag sinubmit natin yan at okay naman lahat yung result mo, ay ma-approve din yung kliyente. Again, case-to-case basis, no? If ever the result of the application is kailangan taasan yung premium or may condition, we just have to be grateful na na-approve pa din and take the opportunity na ma-insure pa rin talaga with the condition that we have. So for type 2 diabetes patients, you are insurable. The last client that I would like to share with you, her condition is cervical cancer from the past 5 years, pero survivor na siya. This is unique, right? So for cancer patients, don't worry, may chance pa po tayo na ma-insure. Given lang dapat na 5 years cancer-free ka muna. So we applied for this policy for our beloved client na may cervical cancer 5 years ago. Pero nakasurvive na siya and she is already 5 years cancer-free. So we submitted all the documents, including the biopsy, including yung mga tests niya, her latest TBS, and everything na require sa amin for the policy to be approved. Sobrang compliant ni client. Yun din yung mga gusto ko talaga sa mga taong desidido na ma-cover or ma-insure. No, ang bilis mag-comply, very cooperative. At thank God, no, very grateful to have this, na-approve yung aming kliyente. And with that, I am not losing hope na may mga sinasubmit kami na kliyente na may complicated talaga na illnesses or even unimaginable na may ganun sila. We are not losing hope. Tinatry pa rin namin. But again, it's case-to-case basis. Ang importante, tinry natin hanggang dulo kung may i-insure pa ba talaga yung ating client. So, meron din tinatawag na postponed. So, bibigyan muna namin ng 6 months, pwedeng i-reapply again. Meron din naman kaming approved cases of asthma, approved cases of ADHD, approved cases of depression, and minor autism. What I really like also with FWD is wala kaming auto-decline. So every condition matter, every condition can be examined and chine-check talaga nila kung pwede pang ma-insure or hindi na. Kaya with that, always ask your financial advisor or you can ask me kung insurable ba ito or hindi na. Actually, yung sasagot ko lang sa inyo ay itatry natin. And please manage your expectations at kung ano man hingi ng company ay comply lang tayo. Thank you for listening and I hope to see you again on my next session for insightful conversations.